Good morning. My baby and I are just sharing some mango and grapefruit. I feel like no one knows about this combo. Mango and grapefruit. It's so delicious. And also, I don't know what anyone else does, but we don't do bibs on principle. No, I don't know why I don't do bibs. I just like, when it's hot out, he's naked or in a diaper. And then if it's cold, like today, he's just wearing a onesie, and the onesie is his bib. Thoughts? What do you think, baby? Oh my gosh. He's just covered in grapefruit juice now. Also, does this get higher? Allie is coming over today, my assistant slash friend. She's awesome, by the way. If you guys don't follow Allie on YouTube, you should. She's very cool, and I always ask her for advice because I'm like, Allie, how do I do this? How do I do this? Like, she just like knows all the things. And today I really want to ask her to help me propagate my pothos, because we realized, oh wow, let me show you actually. For the past, several months that the baby has been crawling, this pothos was hanging down low and he was tugging on it. I'm like, oh gosh, I gotta like baby proof it. So I would like sort of pile it here, and Eric was like, wait, can't we like pin it up and sort of drape it now? And this is the thing people do. This is why people have pothos, to make this pretty effect. And we did it. Look at that, isn't that pretty? The baby leaks at night because we're still nursing through the night, and I don't know if anyone else uses cloth diapers, but it is really hard to make them not leak at night. And if anyone has like amazing tips, please send them to me, because just this past week I was so fed up with it that I started using plastic diapers at night, and he wasn't leaking at all until tonight. I don't know what happened. That Eric finished in just a few days was this structure. He tried to explain it to me and I didn't really know what it was, but I just said, yeah, just do whatever you want. And it's basically to help hold our lights, because the lights were like sagging all the time, and every time you opened the door they would hit the lights. And so yeah, it looks really nice. I can't step out onto the grass to show you, but maybe you can see in some other shots. And then he's gonna hang like a clothesline for me, so I don't have to have this ugly drying rack. It's a very useful drying rack, but I'm sure there are lots of people like this, but I need my home to be beautiful. Like, I need to be inspired by my home. And when I was younger, I used to think that was sort of superficial or shallow, but I find that it really feeds me when my home is as beautiful as I can make it. And I don't mean like excessive extravagance or ostentatious furniture. I just mean like simple beauty. And this plastic thing from Costco does not spark me with joy, if you know what I'm saying. Also, I feel like I should address the color of my house. We also painted our house, and it's something we should have done the first day we moved in, because I hated the color. It was like orange and red and yellow. Well, we just went with a classic white with jet black trim, and I really wanted a colored door, but I didn't want, like, this is not the color I want. So if you're like, that door is so doesn't fit the house, I agree. I wanted like a light blue, and it was a miscommunication with the painter and with me and Eric, and this is what happened. But it's fine for now. I do want to change it to like a light blue. I think that would fit the house a lot more. We also cleaned the tiles, the little like shingle terracotta tiles that were so filthy and mildewy for years, and it was just kind of a pain to do, and we finally got that done. And yeah, just so much is happening with the house, and it makes me feel so at peace when I'm in a beautiful, clutter-free home. Yeah, I don't think everyone has that same desire, but it's definitely a big one for me. Okay, I did not plan this, I swear. It's perfect that our sheets got wet last night, because I need to put on some fresh sheets, and I just got this new box of sheets I'm so excited about. These are like luxury sheets that aren't crazy expensive. Have you guys ever heard of Brooklinen? I'm so excited to try these out. It's my first time trying. I need scissors, hold on. Before I get started, I just want to say that Brooklinen is offering my viewers a special special discount of $20 off any order over $100, so just use the link below and use my code here. Many other mothers of babies will know upgrading your sleep experience is essential, because every hour of sleep counts. The thing about Brooklinen is they were like, let's make luxury sheets a lot more affordable so people can actually afford them and not like this crazy markup. I think luxury sheets normally cost like $500. That's just ridiculous. I can't wait. I got this blue. It's so pretty. Wow. So Luxe sheets sort of have like a sateen finish and they just look so, just the word is luxe, like luxury. Something else I really like about these is they are OEKO Tech certified. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but against harmful substances, harmful chemicals and stuff like that. And that's really important to me. Wow. Look at this. 480 thread count. I don't know what that means, but it's supposed to be
sounds good.
Luxury. Wow, this is looking really beautiful. Such a lovely color. I cannot wait to sleep on these sheets, and I'm going to let you know exactly how they feel. I'm going to give you the full report, but they feel amazing so far. It literally feels like very fancy hotel. Good morning, everyone. I thought I would talk about my yard situation because everyone was so enthusiastic about our new grass we have. It's such a nice yard. Like, we saw the yard when we bought it and we're like, this has so much potential. It just took us a long time to actually do the work. It's a little pricey to put grass in, so we had to know that we were ready, and we're finally ready, and like it just feels like a real yard. And honestly, babies change things. When you have a baby, you just you're ready to upgrade certain things. Like, I need a place to put my baby where there's not like lizards and spiders and rocks you can choke on. So I can't step on the grass yet, but I can step on the little flagstones here. We use the same flagstones, we just use a lot fewer of them and space them out. I love the look of them space out the grass in between. So the goal is to prettify, that's not a word, beautify and colorify this yard with extra plants in the planters along the fence. So all along the fence here in these planters, I want to put like Mexican sage with the purple flowers. I want to put rosemary because it smells so delicious. I think snake plants would look cool. I would love more colorful flowers to attract butterflies, even though I do have a fear of butterflies that we're not going to talk about. And obviously we're keeping this beautiful oak tree that we love and this birds of paradise plant that I completely neglect, and it still comes through for me every year. Allie is here and she's going to help me propagate the pothos.
So we're just gonna cut below the root node, like this.
Wow.
Put it in a mason jar, and then it's gonna grow roots in like 2 weeks. It's gonna be super easy.
So we want to do 2.
Okay. You want them kind of longer?
Yeah. It's like a haircut.
Yeah, it's healthy.
Pretty.
Like that.
I need to get pots for them. Mm-hmm. Is it just gonna grow one?
No, it grows a ton. Here, I'll show you.
Oh. Uh-oh.
I mean, you...
Uh-oh.
What?
Hang on. I should get a bigger jar. This was not that exciting. I was like, ooh, I'll film propagating the pothos.
It's so easy.
And it's just ridiculously simple. Okay.
Every day is a new beginning, filled with tales untold. Looking out through a tainted window, watching our lives unfold. Some doors happen to be open, while others they stay closed. While we try to plan ahead, nobody truly knows what tomorrow holds.
She is a very passionate plant-based person, and we are developing a recipe together. As you know, we have a recipe ebook called, I should take my glasses off. We have a recipe ebook called Everybody Loves Food Together. And sorry, I'm a little tired today. We love to cook together. It's one of our favorite things to do, and I will tell you, all my mom talks about is food. So I'll come to her with my problems. Like, Mom, I want to talk. She's like, Okay, so tonight we're making, Mom, I have a project. Okay, potential project.
I sew as well, but not much.
My mom grew up
Used to
on a
sew
farm,
lots.
and she used to sew her own clothes. So I feel like that gives you some sort of street cred. I bought this shirt. I love it. It's like a tad too small, but I still love it. I want to recreate this shirt, but long sleeved, with the ruffles and like lime green. Can we do that? And with a non-see-through material. Is that hard? There's like ruching like this, and I love it, but I want something long sleeve, like something a little bit thicker for like colder weather. Not like thick, but something not a summery shirt. Project. If you didn't catch that, my mother sighed. She's exasperated. You don't like sewing, but you would do it.
I don't, unless it's for someone special.
The Brooklyn sheets were so comfortable to sleep on. They were extremely soft. Remember, if you use the link below and my discount code Hannah, you can get $20 off any order over $100.
Like a waterproof thing.
Oh.